Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can connect to this network with just two easy and simple solutions. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and then go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to select network and internet. Scroll down and we need to look for, or you are not just going to scroll down, you simply click on this arrow next to the Wi-Fi button, and here you'll find manage no networks. Here you need to simply look for the Wi-Fi that you are having a trouble with. What you can do, you just need to simply click on forget, and once done, close this window. Then you have to click on the Wi-Fi icon from here. So once you click on the Wi-Fi icon from here, you have to locate again your connection, and then you have to re-enter the password for your connection. Just simply type the password and then you will be connected again into that network connection. Now for the next method is we have to go to the Windows search bar, type ncpa.cpl. Click on ncpa.cpl control panel item. Now click on your Wi-Fi. Then you will find this option, diagnose this connection. Click on that. And this window will appear. Now in my case, I am not facing the issue because I have just fixed it. So you're connected to the internet, the network connection quality might be low, and then I have no problem with it. But in your case, you have to simply click on the diagnose option, and this will troubleshoot for all the solutions and methods on how to fix the issue with it. So you just have to simply wait for that, and that issue will be fixed. So with that two easy solutions, I hope that will help you on how you can fix the issue, can connect to this network. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.